Hello, my name is Oluwakemi Akinola Adedeji, and I am the People Operations Manager at the uLesson Group. Are you a graduate and have completed NYSC? Are you smart, driven, and committed? Do you want to make a difference? Then I would like to introduce you to the uLesson Graduate Trainee Program. The uLesson Graduate Trainee Program is a 3-month intensive, specialized, and immersive training at the uLesson Academy, where you will be able to gain practical work skills. And here's the icing on the cake. A stipend of 100,000 Naira monthly will be paid to you during the course of the training. Once you successfully complete the 3-month training, you will be offered a full-time position at the uLesson Group. To qualify, all you need is a minimum of a second-class upper in any field and your NYSC certificate. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our team of innovators, creators, and change makers. The application closes on the 31st of August, 2023. To apply, visit ulesson.com/blog/trainee. Your future awaits.